Hi, I'm Igor and welcome to Wealth Chronicles, where we focus on smart investing and mindset growth, one habit at a time. Today, I'm talking about something most of us are guilty of: procrastinating with your money. Yep, putting off budgeting, avoiding that investment account, delaying your TFSA or Roth IRA contributions, ignoring your credit card balance, not opening that important bank statement envelope. Why do we do this to ourselves? It's not because we don't really care. It's definitely not because we're lazy. Well, some of us might be. But what it really comes down to is managing money can be emotionally exhausting. When we think about money, we often feel stress, shame, confusion, or fear. Fear of doing wrong, fear of facing the truth. So what do? We avoid it. But just like ignoring a cavity doesn't make it go away, ignoring your finances only makes the problem worse. Debt builds, missed opportunities pile up, anxiety festers, and then, well, we feel even worse. So why do we procrastinate with money even when we know better? It comes down to a battle inside your brain. You've got your prefrontal cortex, the part that wants to be financially secure, invest early, save consistently, retire with peace of mind. Then there's your limbic system, the part that says budgeting is boring, you'll start investing next month, or retail therapy is self-care, right? Guess who wins most of the time? Yep, it's the one that wants the dopamine hit today. Now, there are different types of financial procrastinators. There's the perfectionist, waits to invest until they know everything about the market. The overwhelmed, doesn't know where to start, and they don't start at all. The avoider ignores their balance until the fees start hitting hard. The overplanner builds spreadsheets but never takes action. And the busy bees tells themselves they'll deal with it later because, well, life's too hectic. Sounds familiar? I can relate to at least a couple of them. But before we continue, if you find value in my videos, please leave me a like and subscribe to help me grow my channel. It would mean a lot to me. With that said, let's get back to the video. Let's talk about how to beat financial procrastination. Not with guilt, but with strategy. Tip 1. The 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I am just going to look at my accounts for 5 minutes. Or I'll open the investment account page that I've been eyeing for a while and do one thing and one thing only. Starting is the hardest part. Once you're in, momentum takes over. Tip 2. Break it down. Sort out finances is a little bit too vague. Try this instead. Step 1. Log into your bank. Step 2. Check your credit card balance. Step 3. Transfer $50 to savings. And just like that, you've already made progress. Tip 3. Automate, so you don't rely on willpower. Set up auto transfers to your savings. Auto invest through your investment account. Auto pay bills. You don't need to be a productivity guru. Just make your system do the heavy lifting. Let tech do the discipline for you. Tip 4. Use a timer or a routine. Block off 30 minutes a week to review your finances. Put it in your calendar. Make it non-negotiable. Financial health is like physical health. Consistency matters more than intensity. Tip 5. Forgive yourself and keep moving. We've all made mistakes, and we'll continue to do so. Overspent, missed deadlines, ignored accounts. Simply acknowledge it and move on. What matters is what you do next. Money is emotional, but the good news is emotions can be rewired. You're not behind. You're not bad at this. You just need a system that works for you. So, if there's one thing you've been putting off, opening that account, setting a budget, checking your subscriptions, do one small thing today. Just one. Your future self will thank you. Alright, that's it for today. And please do let me know in the comments what's your number one financial task you've been avoiding. Now, if you're curious about how I started getting my own finances in order, check out this video next.